Hi guys, you are watching STR Education. So guys, we are going to discuss 50 most important MCQs of the topic Solar System, Universe and Atmosphere of the subject Geography. So guys, we are going to conduct a series of most important MCQs of all the GS subjects, and it is important for the SSC, Railway, Defense and other government exams, and especially for those who are going to sit in APCAT and CDS like examinations, and it will include the questions which have already asked in the previous year exams, as well as it includes the important questions which can be asked in the upcoming examinations. So the language of this video will be English, and if anyone wants this in Hindi, then comment below. I will work upon this, and the video will give double benefit to those who are already went through these topics, like they read that topics from any book or watch any videos from the YouTube, or went through any topic of this, then this will double benefit them as they examine themselves which stand they have now, and also this video which for them as a revision video, and it will make them comfortable in their upcoming exams. So guys, let's begin. First question we have, which planet is the closest to Sun? And we have the options Mars, Mercury, Jupiter and Venus. We know the closest planet to the Sun is Mercury, then Venus, then Earth, then Mars, then we have Jupiter. So here we have the right answer, that is Mercury. Next question is, which of the following planet is not a gas giant? So we know Neptune, Saturn and Jupiter are the gas giants. So we have the right answer, that is Mars. Next we have, which planet is not a terrestrial planet? So A, Saturn is not a terrestrial planet, we know that. Next question, which planet has the largest ring system? So here we have the answer, that is Saturn. We know that Saturn is a planet in which a ring is surrounded. So next question, what is the Earth's radius? We know that, very simple question, 6378 km. Next question, where is the main asteroid belt in the solar system? So there is the asteroid belt in between Mars and Jupiter. So D is the right answer. Where do most comets arrive from? Here we have the answer, the Oort cloud. Option number B. So what is the comet belt outside the Pluto's orbit called? We know that is option number B, Kuiper belt. Which planet has the hottest temperature? So here we have the answer, that is option number B, Venus has the hottest temperature. Which moon is a moon of Mars? So Phobos and Deimos are the moon of Mars. So here we have the option number A is the right answer. How many moons does Jupiter have? 16 moons Jupiter have. So option number C is the right answer. Next, which planet has the fastest wind blowing at speed of over 2400 km per hour? So here we have the answer, that is option number B, Neptune. Next question, what is the rotational speed of Earth? So answer is 24 hours. The study of universe is known as cosmology. Option number C is the right answer. Which planet is known as Earth's twin? So option number B, Venus, is known as Earth's twin. Lack of atmosphere around the moon is due to. So here we have the options: low escape velocity of air molecule and low gravitational attraction. Next option, high escape velocity of air molecule, low gravitational attraction only, then none of these. So we have the answer, that is low escape velocity of air molecule and low gravitational attraction. So here we have the answer, option number A. The distance between two consecutive longitudes, that is 91 degree east and 92 degree east, are the poles is. Option are 0 km, 18 km, 100 km and 111 km. So here we have the answer, that is 0 km. And if it was asked as the distance between two consecutive longitudes at the equator, in the place of pole, if it was equator, then the answer is 111 km. And it is the most important question. Next question, the imaginary line of the Earth's surface at closely follows at the 180 degree meridian edge. So options we have prime meridian, equator, international date line and tropic of Cancer. So here is the answer, international date line, option number C. Which waves of earthquake is more destructive? So we have the options primary wave, secondary wave, lob wave and none of these. So we have the answer is lob wave. Next, the place of origin of earthquake is called zone, focus, epicenter and none of these. So we have the answer, that is focus, option number B. So which of the following layers of atmosphere is suitable for flying of jet aircraft? Mesosphere, ionosphere, thermosphere and stratosphere. So we have the answer, stratosphere. Which of the following is a warm wind? We have the options Bora, Lu, Chinook and Bayar. So answer is Chinook. Ozone sphere found in which layer of the atmosphere? Options are mesosphere, stratosphere, ionosphere and exosphere. So answer is mesosphere. Next question, which two gases make up 99% of Earth's atmosphere? So options are nitrogen and oxygen, carbon dioxide and helium, hydrogen and helium, then none of these. So answer is option number A, nitrogen and oxygen. Which process is important heating the lower layer of atmosphere? Insolation, radiation, conduction and convection. So we have the right answer is option number C, conduction. Next question we have, which one of the following given the Big Bang theory? So options are George Lemaitre, Bondi, Alberto, none of these. So we have the answer that is option number A, George Lemaitre. Next question, which of the following is our nearest galaxy? Milky Way, Andromeda, Proxima Centauri and none of these. So we know Milky Way is our galaxy and Andromeda is our nearest galaxy and Proxima Centauri is a star nearest to our planet. Next question, which of the following planet rotate from north to south? Options are Earth, Jupiter, Venus and Uranus. So right answer is option number D, that is Uranus. Next question, which of the planet appears as greenish star? Saturn, Earth, Neptune and Jupiter. So we have the right answer, that is option number C, Neptune. Next question, which of the following known as coldest planet of our solar system? Neptune, Saturn, Earth and Venus. So right answer is option number A, Neptune. Which of the following is the smallest satellite of our solar system? Options are Ganymede, Phobos, Deimos and none of these. So right answer is Deimos, which is the satellite of Mars. What is Triton and Nereid? Options are comets, asteroids, meteors and satellite. So right answer is option number D, satellite. Mirinda is the satellite of which planet? Options are Earth, Uranus, Jupiter and Saturn. So right answer is option number B, Uranus. Next question, what is perigee? Nearest position of Earth to Moon, farthest position of Earth from Moon, nearest position of Earth to Sun, then none of these. So right answer is nearest position of Earth to Moon. Next question, which of the following given the continental drift theory? Options are Mackenzie, Parker, Alfred Wegener and none of these. So right answer is option number C, Alfred Wegener. Next question, a ray of light from sun takes how many time to reach Earth? 8 minutes, 7 minutes, 6 minutes and none of these. So right answer is option number A, 8 minutes. Next question, geocentric model of solar system was proposed by Ptolemy, Strabo, Aristotle and none of these. So right answer is option number A, Ptolemy. Next question, which among the following proposed law of planetary motions? Options are Newton, Kepler, Ptolemy and none of these. So right answer is option number B, Kepler. Approximately what is the age of Earth? 4.5 billion years, 3.5 billion years, 4 billion years and 2.5 billion years. So here we have the answer, option number B, 3.5 billion years. What is the distance from Earth to Sun? 7 light minutes, 6 light minutes, 8 light minutes and none of these. So we have the answer, that is 8 light minutes. We have already discussed that. which of the following layer of earth is termed as shear? Core, crust, mantle, and none of these. So here we have the answer, that is option number B, crust. Pedogenesis is process in which options are mountains are formed, gases are formed, soils are formed, oceans are formed. So right answer is option number C, soils are formed. Which of the following forms outermost solid part of the earth? Core, magma, mantle, and crust. So here we have the right answer, that is option number D, crust. Which of the following is an example of direct source to study interior of earth? Gravitation, seismic activity, magnetic field, volcanic eruptions. So right answer is option number D, volcanic eruptions. Which of the following is known as dense layer of earth? Core, crust, magma, and mantle. So right answer is option number A, core. Which of the following rocks are known as primary rock? Metamorphic rock, igneous rock, sedimentary rock, and none of these. So right answer is option number B, igneous rock. Which of the following rocks have layered like structure? Igneous rock, metamorphic rock, sedimentary rock, and none of these. Right answer is option number C, sedimentary rock. Granite is an example of intrusive igneous rock, extrusive igneous rock, sedimentary rock, and none of these. Right answer is option number A, intrusive igneous rock. Lu is a which wind? Cold, warm, hot, and none of these. Right answer is option number C, hot. Appleton layer is a part of which layer? Mesosphere, stratosphere, ionosphere, and none of these. Right answer is option number C, ionosphere. Guys, now we have successfully completed our 50 most important MCQs of the first three topics of the geography, and that was the solar system, universe, and atmosphere. And the questions which we have skipped, and the hardest questions which will ask on CDS examinations, we will make another video in which we will discuss that the statement questions which can be asked in CDS upcoming examinations and which have asked. And also, if anyone want the PDF, check out our description and click on the link which we have provided in our description, that is the Telegram link, in which they can get the PDF. And for further discussions and further MCQs, stay tuned, and goodbye. Jai Hind.